Very good morning, dear students. So, now we are going to start a new chapter. So, before starting the chapter, let's follow some kind of the activity that is given in your textbook. So, you can see here in the image that is a such type of roads are given. On that, there are some vehicles are running. So, I want to ask you that you can see here there are not a single road, there are many more roads are there. So what is this road is called? That is called the road network. Whenever such type of roads are connected to each other, or one or two or more roads are there on a one place, that is also called the road network. Sorry. So it is consists of interconnection of roads spread over the large distance connecting to the different towns, villages and cities. Everyone knows what we are using, why we are using the roads. We are using the roads to go from one place to another place. If you want to go from city to village, then you also use it. If you want to go the other place, then you will also use it, right? So, now I want to ask you, sir, that can you see this type of roads at your town or the villages? आपने कभी देखा हो ऐसे टाइप के रोड्स आपके सिटी में, आपके विलेज में, आपके टाउन्स में? So I am thinking that we show this type of roads. Even we also see the over bridges, right? So this is called the network. Here you can see in the image roads are interconnected to each other. From one place you can go to the another place. Like using of road you are going from one place to another place. There are the such type of other networks available. Using of that you can go from the another network. Now there is a one more example I want to give you, that telephone network. What is the telephone network? आप देख सकते हो वेन एवर यू गो टू आउटसाइड मोबाइल फ़ोन में नेटवर्क आता है, उसके भी टावर्स होते हैं, दे आर ऑल्सो कनेक्टेड विथ ईच अदर. सो दैट इज़ ऑल्सो कॉल्ड द नेटवर्क, टेलीफोन नेटवर्क. सो रिमेंबर स्टूडेंट, वेन एवर a device is connected to each other, that is called the network. Now what is your work? You have to give the answer of this question in the textbook on the page number 76. You have to write down the answer of these two questions on the page number 76 in your textbook, right? So as I told you, what is the meaning of network? Network means whenever the devices are connected, whenever the objects are connected to each other, that is called the network. Understood? So these are the another network example is also given to you: network, rail, water, telephone. These are the common networks. You can see the railway also. They are go from one place to another place. On the one railway, that is another rails are also came. So that is called the networks. So like that, computers are also connected on with each other. That time, that is called the computer network. From above example, you can easily understood the definition of computer network. So what is the computer network? Computer network is a collection of computers and other devices connected to each other for the purpose of communication. For example, why we are using the telephones, mobile phones? मुझे आपसे बात करनी हो तो मैं कैसे करूँगी? Either I will call you or I will message you, right? So same thing, if you want to communicate with each other, if you with other device in a computer, or you want to send some of the file, message, mail, or you want to call, so you can use the computers and other devices for the communication purpose. That is called the computer network. Students, computer network definition is the most important definition, so you have to write it, you have to remember it. All network users can share the devices and information stored on the computer with each other. आप देख ही सकते हो, यहाँ इमेज में क्लियर ही है, सारे कंप्यूटर्स एक दूसरे से कनेक्टेड है। हम जब कंप्यूटर लैब देखते हैं तो उसमें भी ऐसा होता है, स्कूल में जब आप आते हो कंप्यूटर लैब देखते हो तो उसमें भी सेम चीज़ आप देख पाते हो कि वो सारे कंप्यूटर्स एक दूसरे से कनेक्टेड होते हैं। अगर किसी एक में इंटरनेट कनेक्शन नहीं आ रहा तो बाकी में भी नहीं आएगा। सो दैट इज़ ऑल्सो अ एग्जाम्पल ऑफ कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क, दैट इज़ अ लाइव एग्जाम्पल ऑफ कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क, राइट? नाउ I am hoping that you will understood the definition of computer network. Now I first task I gave you to write down this question. Now second task is that you have to be search about the internet. Whenever we meet on the next time, I will ask you firstly the definition of computer network, examples of the network, एंड व्हाट डू यू नो अबाउट द इंटरनेट। आप क्या जानते हो इंटरनेट के बारे में, खुद से बताना है। यू डोंट हैव टू बी सर्च एनीथिंग, आपको खुद से जानना है, बताना है कि मैम मुझे इंटरनेट के बारे में मुझे ये चीज़ें पता है, इसका यूज़ कहाँ पे होता है, कैसे होता है। ओके, सो वी विल बी मीट ऑन द नेक्स्ट जूम क्लास। बाय एवरीवन, हैव अ गुड डे एंड प्लीज़ कंप्लीट योर होमवर्क।